So this is called Fireworks Galaxy. This is a live view. So if we get a supernova right now on this galaxy, you're looking at billions of stars in this frame. So if we get supernova right now, so what does that? That means if we get supernova in this galaxy right now, we will be millionaires, if not billionaires, because you don't know, like, handful of telescopes looking at this galaxy right now at this moment. And these are the perks of astrophotography, and we're looking at live view this galaxy. And if any of those billions of stars go supernova, what are the odds? So when you play Powerball, what are your odds when you play Lotto? And what are the odds in here? Billions of stars. Any of this star in this galaxy goes boom, boom. Amazing Arizona. Live view of Scorpion. Emergency when you forgot to calibrate in the daylight, and then you wanna make it work at night, so you use moon as a calibration. Look, what do we have here? Okay, so this is another session of Astro Night. Nice blue skies and beautiful Arizona sunset. So I just want to show everybody that how much it goes into it. So this is basically a 12-hour planning. So this is my equipment. This is everything in this coffin looking box, and here's my wife. You have to convince your partner to let you go for a night, because it takes minimum of one whole night. So this is my power generator. This is gonna be supplying juice for whole night. This is my refractor. First I keep everything, separate everything. This is my laptop. Yeah, I have machete. I know you saw that. So machete is for emergencies, like if I get attacked by wildlife, because it's open space and rarely happens. It's over exaggeration. This is my forgot the name, what you call it.
Caution, paranoia.
See, now flowers and the seeds and plant life tries to go inside my equipment box. Bugs, you will know a lot about bugs tonight, because you will see how many bugs gonna come in, how much I'm gonna be moaning about those. That is coming in a minute. So that was my camera. This camera, that special Astro camera, this is the Magic. This camera is almost like $1,000 to $2,000, just this little pouch. This camera can go, it has air conditioning inside, so it can go to minus 40 Celsius even in the hot summer.
What kind of camera is it?
It's
ZW.
ZW. Open it up slowly, don't drop it, it's very fragile. So this is the special Astro camera. This is special Astro camera. It doesn't look like normal traditional cameras, but it has air conditioning inside, and you need your sensor to be really super minus and minus cooled, so you can
Doesn't even look like a camera.
you can
Looks like a barrel of wine.
have minimum distortion in the picture.
Wine is
Yeah, You can bring bottle of wine. This is good thing about Astro is there are no restrictions, and most of the Astro guys are very cool. They can let you smoke, drink. I'm talking about myself. These are bunch of, this is the web of wires. They're all gonna be connected. And this is my Wedge. It's not veggie, Wedge. It's called Wedge. This will be connected.
It looks like you're gonna have a garage sale.
Yeah. This is the tripod. This is box, random box of tools. It's a mystery box. It has all the random tools, my Xbox joystick, laser lights and stuff. And this is part of my tripod. Okay, now she will hold the phone and record me. Don't get hypnotized in recording it like shoes and not my face. Okay.
Why did you go mute?
Because I thought you were gonna start talking.
Oh, so I imagine that's the tripod. And I imagine what's going there is some type of stabilizing device.
Yeah, it stabilizes the tripod, and also it has holes to put your eyepieces and lenses. They're holes, random size holes, so you can put your lenses and stuff while it moves. It serves dual purpose.
Right.
And now did it wrong. So the setup is almost complete, and like I said, it's still like 6:30, 7 o'clock, and now we're gonna wait for sun to completely go down. You have to start from daylight to calibrate your red dot, your laser, your refractor, and all the different scopes to calibrate each and everything with each other, so they're all pointing at the same direction. You calibrate in the daytime because in the daylight you find one of those poles, like one, for example, this pole, and then you point all the scopes to that pole, and then slowly go to even further far away towers and mountains and hills, and then calibrate everything to that. Oh look, there's an aircraft going. I don't know if you can make it in the video, but yeah. So yeah. So then you can also calibrate it on the moon, calibrate it to the moon, but that is for emergency when you forgot to calibrate in the daylight, and then you want to make it work at night, so you use moon as a calibration tool. Yeah, this is my body cam that I just installed right now. It has magnetic mount. This is I use as a multi-purpose, as a time lapse for what I do, and safety and security. So most of the time when you're doing Astro, if you want to do it from the darkest place possible, the darker the better, and then you want to do it at the dark place, then you have to go to jungle, like not literally, yeah, literally, go to the forest and jungle and woods, because most of the houses are in residential areas. So even if you have backyard in your house, most probably it will be very light polluted area, because residential areas have lighting poles and bulbs and street lights. Those are the enemy of astronomy. And So most of the time, if you want to do proper shots, proper visual, proper astronomy, you have to travel to jungles. And then the whole point of bringing this topic up is then there's another factor comes in, security and safety. And security, safety from wildlife, security, safety from a lot of aspects. There's a lot of moving parts, a lot of things can go wrong. So yes, this camera, when you saw earlier, I have machete and I have all the tools on my belt, knife, pepper spray. And if you are really at vulnerable places in jungle, then you wanna have a little bit of campfire as well, because then if you don't have campfire, as we all know, fire scares wildlife away. Keeps most of the wildlife away. So fire is good practice. And yeah, and it's good to have GPS, emergency GPS help, panic button with you, and a couple of people know where you are in case if you need help. So it's not straightforward. Like there are like more than 100 things you have to tick off before you do this properly. And this is just, I'm talking about worldly like aspects, not scientific. Then you have tools. You have to learn about tools and calibrations and how each equipment work, focus motor, cameras. Like this camera is for 2-star guidance camera. This camera is actual camera which is gonna be recording the data. And there are different scopes, different eyepieces. So even in this pouch, if I'll show you, this eyepiece alone is worth $400. This little flask looking thing is $400. Can you believe it? From Stellar View Optics. It has 100-degree field of view. It's really one of the best things you can buy. Like it's like one of those exotic things. You don't have to buy this. These things you buy when you reach a certain level. Each of these lenses like $50, $60. This is Barlow lens. And there are a lot of things you have to learn about Barlow lenses. Barlow lenses are normally used for visual. You can also use it for photography, but only for planets. Only for the planets. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put some music on and chill on these chairs. Have myself a banana and enjoy the nature. This is the time when astrographer enjoys and relaxes and have a couple of beers if you drink or smoke or eat or chill and have music on until it gets super dark. See you in a bit. Okay, now this is PH2 software. So I'm trying to bring this star in the middle of this bullseye, and this is representing this refractor. The small black scope is utilizing this PH2 software, and it's in the bullseye. There's all the stars in the background you can see. And then this software, the other software which I use for capturing everything, which is Sharp Pro. This is using this star. This star is in the middle. There's a star called Spica. And now my refractor and my big telescope, they both aligned. This Spica star is in the middle of both the telescope. So now I'll do one more star calibration, and then I'm gonna start my real these are my snakes for the night, some almonds, banana, and pitch dark. I don't want to keep the flashlight on because it attracts mosquitoes and bugs. Ooh, creepy. Okay, so now we are logged on to this galaxy. It's called Fireworks Galaxy. This is a live view. You're looking at this frame from one corner to other corner is about 35,000 light years of distance radius, and this galaxy, the wings are showing up slowly. So I'm recording at 30 seconds per frame, 30 seconds of exposure in single frame, and temperature is minus 15 right now. Thermals are minus 15, and we're recording at 30 seconds, and the guidance is going good, not bad, decent guidance. Everything is going cool. So this is the galaxy. Let me show you that we are recording at the moment. It's called Fireworks Galaxy, and yeah, really dark, pitch black. You can't see nothing. This is, you can't make out even me, but believe me, I'm here. These are my lips, my mouth. Ooh. It's going good. Fireworks Galaxy. We smashing it. So sorry for the scary shot and the red light all bloody and stuff. So this red light is ideal for astronomy. Red light does not interfere that much with the capturing of this sky at night with the telescope. So I have this red light torch set up. This torch is brilliant for astronomy and capturing. So right now we pointing out at this galaxy, and it's going good. It's just patience. It's midnight, 12, and wind is nice. I'm logged on to that star. This is a star in between those green lights, and I'm logged on to that because this star is giving me guidance of movement of this galaxy. So this is called Fireworks Galaxy. This is a live view. So if we get a supernova right now on this galaxy, you're looking at billions of stars in this frame. So if we get supernova right now, it will make us billionaire. Can you believe it? So this is a live view of fireworks galaxy, and we recording it 50 seconds per frame. So this is really long, extensive, like 50 seconds per frame. So the what does that mean? And we're recording at temperatures -20. So what does that means? If we get supernova in this galaxy right now, we will be millionaires, if not billionaires, because you don't know, like, handful of telescopes looking at this galaxy right now at this moment. And these are the perks of astrophotography, and we're looking at live view this galaxy. And if any of those billions of stars go supernova, what are the odds? So when you play Powerball, what are your odds when you play Lotto? And what are the odds are in here? Billions of stars. Any of this star in this galaxy goes boom, we'll be rich. But we are in this hobby for knowledge, for entertainment. This is not commercial. This is completely hobby. I like to do these kind of things. And sitting in a jungle environment, like, I hope you liking these videos. If you like these kind of videos, hit like button. This will give me nothing but motivation to make more and more videos like this one. So let me show you something interesting. These are one of the perks. Look at this. Who's here? Who is here? We have Scorpion. Amazing. So let's do a blue light and then this green light. This is Scorpion. We are so close. I'm gonna take a close-up shot. So did you see Scorpion? So these are the things you're very close to the wildlife. These are one of the perks, like doing astro. You see rabbits, furry tail rabbits. You see boar, wild boar. Yeah, it sounds dangerous. And Arizona is also known for mountain lions, cats, fox, and all those things. Obviously, must mention snacks, rattlesnakes, and all those wildlife and cactus trees and stuff. I just saw a giant lizard passing by. Giant mean I'm over exaggerating. Size of hand, not hand, like one finger, about 6 inches. Ooh. Look at this mouse. I don't know if camera can catch it, but there's a mouse here. I'm trying to use red light so they don't get bothered, but there it is. There it is. I hope camera caught it. Look what do we have. Look what do we have here. Amazing Arizona. Amazing Arizona. They are really fast. Like if he decides to come towards me, he will be able to do it in a second. Amazing Arizona. Live view of Scorpion. Ain't it amazing?
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, bang got my hand, bang got my hand.